Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. Well, in today's video, we are discussing Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi and Gavin Newsom, Governor of California, are teaming up, and they have a special plan, a special agenda for their drivers. So if you're an Uber driver in California, this video directly applies to you. If not in California, well, this probably applies to you as well. So before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. So Solo is the business app for gig workers, and they really help drivers optimize their income, help drivers track their expenses, and even guarantee their pay. Now, for a limited time, when you sign up with our link below, totally for free, anywhere in the country, as long as you have an active gig account, they're sending you $10. So sign up with our link your account, type in your Venmo or PayPal, and you'll literally get 10 bucks for free. So sign up with the link below, and let's get started. So let's heading to Twitter here. Dara Khosrowshahi and Governor Gavin Newsom are hanging out together. They're best buddies. Does not surprise me. Does not surprise me. Obviously, Governor Gavin Newsom is a Democrat, very liberal Democrat, yeah, if you are a big supporter of Governor Gavin Newsom, then you probably, are gonna like this. Great to run into Governor Gavin Newsom at Climate Week, New York City. I bet it was, Dara. Thanked him for his climate leadership in California and shared Uber's climate commitments, including $800 million to support drivers to move to EVs. California shows ambitious government policy and real investment from business delivers change. Gosh, they just look so happy together. Why? Because they're rich. These guys, they love making money. They love their money. Umesh says, branding Uber with cheated money. How much percent of $800 million belongs to the customer whom you have cheated? Well, these people are like the support driver. Yeah, right. Try listening to a driver about how we want to be supported, not some photo social media op. The only problem is that drivers are slave to Uber, but drivers wake up to reality. Fuel replacement cost $72. Hourly wage after tips $246, he said. Wow, 6 hours of earnings, 6 hours of driving, and he made $80. Yeah, and then Uber CEO likes to go, oh yeah, you make $39 an hour with utilized hours. But yeah, you can see right here, great example, this guy was online for 6 hours, 34 minutes, only did rides for 3 hours and 19 minutes. Because you're driving around, you're looking for rides, there's time in between rides, etc. But, so what does this mean with the EV thing? They're trying to move drivers over to electric vehicles by 2030. Uber pledges to shift 100% of electric vehicles. Drivers need to have an electric vehicle by 2030. If you're not going out and buying a Tesla, buying an Ioniq, going out and buying a, BMW electric vehicle, whatever, a Rivian, then you cannot drive for Uber anymore. The company won't pay drivers to make the switch, but rather make driving an EV more lucrative by adding an extra fee. Uber loves to get sneaky with their little tricks. Uber announced Tuesday that 100% of rides will take place in electric vehicles by 2030 in the US, Canada, and Europe, and by 2040 for the rest of the world. But rather than pay drivers directly, the company will impose an extra fee on trips in an electric vehicle to incentivize drivers to make the switch. Uber launched Uber Green. So basically what they do, this is Uber's kind of plan, is they charge riders an extra buck, drivers get an extra buck, right? So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there. Just thought that was pretty interesting and fitting that Uber and Gavin Newsom are buddies. I'm not surprised. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. Check out Solo, link below, and you can get guaranteed pay. And again, they're gonna send you 10 bucks when you sign up for free anywhere in the country, as long as you have done a single ride with any of the gig apps. You can link your account and get that 10 bucks. And you can also start signing up for these little shifts that they have. You can see when you download the app, it'll show you. But yeah, they have little 37 bucks here for Uber, 38 for DoorDash, 37 Uber, 27 DoorDash, 23 Uber. These are just examples, but yeah, you can start making some real money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.